Hey y'all, welcome back to the set. And do you struggle with side dishes off the Blackstone? Well, hey, we all do, including myself. But today, I'm going to do an elote salad off the Blackstone that you will want to make tonight. Y'all, stay tuned. That's some good groceries. Elote salad, corn salad, whatever you want to make it, Mexican street corn salad. There's many ways to say what it is, but basically, you're just using some corn, some mayonnaise, lime juice. Boy, you got some good groceries. But there is a technique. Y'all, I want to show you now. So what I like to use just a frozen bag of, this is super sweet corn. You can use fresh corn if you like. You want to do corn on the cobs, put it on the Blackstone, get it charred up. But if you don't have that luxury, hey, okay, use some frozen corn and actually leave mine out and actually let it fall. First things first, we're going to use a jalapeno, and I'm just going to chop the top and the bottom off of this and run my knife around. That way all the seeds and the veins and all that just kind of comes out all in one. A lot of the heat lives in there. I like to take that out because, well, I don't like a whole lot of heat. And then once you do that, now you have a nice flat surface. Just make little sticks. You want to fine dice on these, y'all. Hey, if you don't want to use jalapenos, that's okay. You just use some green bell peppers or whatever kind of peppers you like. Whatever you want to do. You want to do habaneros? Do habaneros. All right, next on our agenda, we're going to do a little bit of green onions. This is just a little tip that I like to pass on. It's a wet paper towel and just wrap it around where the onions are going to the ground, where the roots are. They stay fresher, longer. Put them in a storage bag like this. Put them in the refrigerator. It'll last a long, long time. All right, what I'm after here is the white bottoms of the green onions, not so much the tops. I do use the tops for garnish later. Want to make sure they're all pretty. But I really like using the whites. They are so delicious. Once that's chopped up, we're going to put it in our bowl. Same tip with the cilantro. I like to take just a wet rag, paper towel, just put on the bottoms. Helps keep it moist. This is beautiful, beautiful cilantro right here. I'm going to take about a nice little handful right there. I like to come in and bunch it up just like this, as much as possible, and just run your knife through it. There's going to be some out there like, Hussey, I don't like cilantro. Tastes like soap. Just omit the cilantro. And we're going to put that in our bowl. All right, now we're going to get our corn on the griddle, y'all. This is a 1 pound bag of corn. I've made up to actually over 5 pounds. People love this stuff, y'all. Telling you. We got a nice hot griddle. You can see the smoke kind of rolling up over that. That's exactly what you want. We're going to come in with a little bit of oil, avocado, olive oil blend. We're going to come in with our corn. Ooh, that's what you want. You want that sizzle when it comes down. It's sizzle, sizzle, sizzle. Listen, don't touch it. You want caramelization on every kernel, y'all. That's just really, really good flavor. It gives it like if you were getting elote corn, you know, on a street corner or whatever. They put it on their grill, gets nice and hot and charred. We're just doing it on our Blackstone with frozen corn. Same thing. Hey, thanks for watching, y'all, thus far. If you don't mind, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. If you don't mind, leave me a comment. I'd like to interact with you. After about 2 minutes, we're going to flip this corn over to the other side. You can see this nice color happening. Some of these suckers are just jumping out of their dang skin. They're just wanting to get off this thing. Look at that, like jumping beans. That's what you want. That's going to be some great, great flavor. So after that initial flip, we're going to come in with some of this street taco seasoning from Blackstone. Ooh-wee, boy, don't inhale that too hard. That smells good. We're just going to mix this around. This is almost done, y'all. It's crazy simple side dish. All right, right near the end, we're just going to come in with a little bit of garlic. I use this garlic paste all the time. And we're just going to mix this together. So you don't want to add that garlic right at the front end of your cook. That garlic will burn. You want to wait till about the end so that way it doesn't burn. Burnt garlic, no good. After you get nice color, about like this right here, we're going to take our corn off and we're going to come back over to the cutting board. All right, we got our corn, got our green stuff over here. It's time to assemble this, okay? Very, very easy. We're going to start off with about a 1/4 cup of mayonnaise. Use whatever mayonnaise you like, but Duke's is state law here in North Carolina. Then we're going to take a juice of 1 lime. Make sure you get everything out of that juice right there. Now we're going to add some cotija cheese. This is about a 1/4 cup of cotija cheese. And we're going to finish it off with just a little bit more of this street taco seasoning. Now let's just mix this up really well. Here's our cilantro. Here's our green onions. Oh man, look at that. Boy, that is good looking groceries right there. I think it needs just a little bit more mayonnaise, guys, but that's good right there. Perfect. All right, now time for a little bit of R&D here, y'all. Got to do R&D. That's good. So good. To me, I think it needs just a little bit more of this street taco. Just a little bit. And I think a little bit more lime. Because we bougie, we're going to put it in a nice little bowl. It's going to go nice on your table. People's going to be like, man, what is that? And you're going to tell them. We're going to take a little bit more of our greenery. I'll take some more of this cotija cheese. Boy, what you talking about? Just for a little bit of garnish, we'll do a little bit of this. These jalapenos. Woohoo, boy. I'll do a little dust of street taco. Dang it, boys and girls. Elote salad's done. Alrighty. The moment of truth. Let's give this a try, y'all. Man, I cannot wait to try it. I love this. This is one of my most favorite side dishes. Cheers. Man. You got creamy. Got a little salty. That cotija cheese, never had it before. Kind of like Parmesan cheese. Crunchy from the green onions and the jalapenos. It's not hot. It's got a nice little crunch. A little bit of heat I'm getting that could be from the taco. That could be from the street taco seasoning, which really's got that smoky flavor too. Y'all, give us a try. Hey, head on over to the Blackstone Network and Griddle Nation, where you'll find really awesome videos and recipes just like this. Hey, I'm Matt Hussey, and that's some good groceries.